Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get Roblox walking animations. So go to Avatar. I will also be reading them as well in this video. You are going to go to the animation section here, and then you are going to go to the bundles. If you want to see the walking animations, it'll show here. So idle, walk, this is the walking animation, run, jump, and fall. This is the old school animation, idle, walk, but we'll just be looking at the walk one. So that's the walk for the robot one. This is the mage one, stylish, vampire, night. There's just a lot of options, but I like the wicked popular one. The walking one is so cute, as well as the bold animation. I like the walk. It's so like sassy. And to purchase it, obviously you're just going to select that to get the animation. There's also this one, but it's like the normal basic one. That's why it's free. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.